A major shift in the smartphone world may be just around the corner. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch its very first foldable iPhone, and the device could arrive sooner than many expected. According to recent reports, this new foldable device may launch alongside the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max later this year. If the leaks are accurate, this device could become one of the most exciting and expensive iPhones ever created. The upcoming foldable device is rumored to be called the iPhone Fold, although some reports suggest Apple may choose the name iPhone Ultra instead. Regardless of the final name, the goal appears clear. Apple wants to enter the foldable smartphone market with a product that combines cutting-edge technology, premium materials, and a completely new user experience. Foldable phones have already been around for several years, but Apple has always taken its time before entering new product categories. The company usually waits until the technology is mature enough before launching its own version. Because of this approach, expectations for Apple's foldable device are extremely high. One of the most interesting aspects of the upcoming foldable iPhone is its design. Reports suggest that Apple has been working hard to solve one of the biggest problems seen in many foldable phones today: the display crease. Many foldable smartphones show a visible line in the middle of the screen where the display folds. However, Apple's new foldable device could feature a display with little to no visible crease at all. If this turns out to be true, it could be a huge breakthrough for foldable smartphones. A crease-free display would make the screen look smoother and more natural, giving users a more premium viewing experience. Another impressive detail is the device's thickness. When fully unfolded, the iPhone Fold is expected to be incredibly thin, measuring only around 4.5 millimeters. That would make it one of the thinnest foldable devices ever created. Achieving such a slim design while still maintaining durability shows just how much engineering effort Apple may have invested in this project. The display sizes are also quite interesting. The outer display is rumored to measure about 5.3 inches, which means the phone can still be used comfortably when folded. This outer screen would handle quick tasks like messaging, notifications, and calls. When the device is unfolded, the inner display is expected to expand to around 7.6 inches. This larger screen would offer a tablet-like experience, making it perfect for watching videos, browsing the internet, reading documents, or multitasking between apps. This dual-screen design could give users the best of both worlds: the portability of a compact smartphone and the immersive experience of a much larger display. Durability is another important factor for foldable devices, and Apple appears to be taking this very seriously. Reports suggest that the iPhone Fold may use a titanium frame combined with an aluminum body. Titanium is known for being extremely strong while also remaining lightweight, which could help the device feel both premium and durable. This combination of materials could allow the phone to handle everyday use while still maintaining a sleek and elegant design. Apple has already used titanium in recent premium iPhones, and bringing it to a foldable device would further strengthen its high-end appeal. Performance is also expected to be powerful. The foldable iPhone is rumored to come with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is believed to be supplied by Samsung. This amount of memory would allow the device to handle heavy multitasking, demanding apps, and advanced features without slowing down. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB, with higher variants reaching 512 GB and even 1 TB. This means users will have plenty of space for photos, videos, apps, and large files. For people who store lots of high-resolution media or use professional applications, these larger storage options could be extremely useful. Battery life is another area where this device may stand out. The iPhone Fold is rumored to include a large 5600 mAh battery. That is significantly bigger than the batteries found in most traditional iPhones. The larger battery will likely be necessary to power the big foldable display and the device's advanced hardware. If Apple manages to combine this larger battery with its usual power, efficient software optimization, the result could be impressive battery performance even with such a large screen. Security features may also receive an interesting upgrade. The foldable iPhone is rumored to bring back Touch ID, possibly integrated into the power button or even hidden under the display. This would give users another way to unlock the phone in addition to Face ID. Having both biometric options could make the device more convenient in different situations. For example, Touch ID could be useful when wearing masks or when the phone is placed on a table. Perhaps the most surprising part of this device is its price. According to the latest reports, the iPhone Fold may start at around $199 for the 256 GB model. Higher storage versions such as 512 GB and 1 TB could cost even more. This would easily make it the most expensive iPhone Apple has ever released. However, foldable devices already sit in the ultra-premium category, and Apple's version is expected to include advanced engineering and premium materials that justify the high price. The launch of the iPhone Fold could also have a big impact on the smartphone industry. Companies like Samsung and Huawei have already been competing in the foldable market for years. Apple entering this space could push the entire industry forward and increase competition. If Apple successfully solves common foldable issues like display creases and durability concerns, other companies may need to raise their standards as well. This could lead to better foldable smartphones for everyone in the future. The upcoming foldable iPhone represents Apple's bold move into a completely new category of devices. With its premium design, powerful hardware, large foldable display, and advanced engineering, this device could redefine what users expect from a smartphone. Although the high price may limit how many people can buy it, the iPhone Fold is likely to attract massive attention from tech enthusiasts around the world. It could become one of the most talked about smartphone releases in recent years. As the expected launch period gets closer, more leaks and details will likely appear, revealing even more about what Apple has been working on behind the scenes. For now, the excitement around Apple's first foldable phone continues to grow, and many people are waiting to see whether this device truly changes the future of smartphones. For more updates on the latest smartphone leaks, upcoming tech launches, and major industry news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update.